Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to guide you step by step in order to delete your Facebook account permanently. So without any delay, let's just dive right in and get started. So in order to do so, you can head over and start by opening a Facebook application on your computer or your mobile device. You can log in, enter your account if you're not logged in, and you should be finding this particular interface on your screen. Now, what you can do is you can access your settings and privacy. Look out for the menu icon in the top right corner and go ahead and tap on it. And when you do, here you will be accessing your menu of your profile and go over and you can access your settings. So you can scroll down and select the option of settings and privacy and select the option of settings from here and open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, what you may do is you can go over and select the option for account center under Meta. So I can go over and find it up and tap on it. And once you open it up, you can start the process of deleting your Facebook account permanently. So what you may do is you can look out for the option for your personal details and tap on it. So you may go over and tap on the option for personal details. And once you tap on this section right here, you will be finding your contact info and other various information, including the option called account ownership and control. So go over and select the last option where you can manage your data and modify your legacy contact and even deactivate or delete your account and profile. So go ahead and tap on the fourth option. And once you tap on it, you can tap on the option for deactivation or deletion. Once you tap on it, you may go over and select up your Facebook account since we are deleting Facebook. And once you select your Facebook account here, you can select the second option. Select the second option of deleting account and you can continue by tapping on continue. And once you do so here, you can start by tapping on continue once again. So if you delete your account, all of the pages and other profiles associated with it will also be deleted. So tap on it, continue. And once you tap on continue, here you can select up a reason why would you like to delete your account. So select up a reason. After that, you can tap on continue. And once you tap on continue, you can go over confirm with deletion. And once you confirm with deletion, you can scroll down and even go ahead and download the data before doing so. Once you do so, you can tap on continue. After that, you can just go over and for one last time, for security reasons, re-enter your password in order to continue. And then once you tap on continue and confirm it up, confirm the deletion, your account will be deleted. And your account will start the process of deletion. After 30 days, it will be permanently deleted. But before 30 days, you can even try recovering your account and you should be able to do it. But once you cross the 30 days interval, your account will be deleted completely forever. So that is it, everybody. If you want to delete your Facebook account permanently, you may follow up this method. For that, do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.